Hi! So this is your Ate V for Ate V is Learning Too. So this 2026, diba grabe, ang bilis natapos ng January. Kamusta naman kayo, mga sis? Okay. Dami nangyari, no? Grabe, sobra. Hindi lang sa Philippines, hindi lang outside the country, but for sure with your family, within your coworkers, or within your workplace, within the school, or of course, in your personal life. Pero I wanna encourage you na whatever man kung ano yung nangyari, whether masakit, nakaka-disappoint, ang hirap, ganun. I wanna encourage you na okay lang. Sis, okay lang umiyak, okay lang i-lay down mo lahat sa Lord yung cares mo. Maintindihan niyo yun kasi um, He cares for you. He cares for you more than you know. I know na minsan ang hirap sabihin sa kanya lahat ganon, pero kahit di mo naman sabihin sa kanya, He knows it. So, and siya yung pinaka nakakilala sa'yo and pinaka mahal ka, 'di ba? Kaya ka nga niya niligtas through His Son on the cross, 'di ba? Through the suffering of His Son on the cross. Anyways, ayun, I hope na kahit di mo naiintindihan so far sa ngayon kung ano yung pina-allow sa'yo ni Lord na mangyari sa life mo, I hope na panghawakan mo kung sino siya, panghawakan mo kung ano yung pagkakakilala mo sa kanya, not because of your knowledge, of course, but because of kung ano yung inalaw ni Lord na malaman mo about sa kanya. Kasi diba siya naman yung nag-grow in grace and knowledge. Nag-grow sa atin in grace and in the knowledge of Him. Ayun lang. I know na mahirap makita sa ngayon siguro kasi I've been there. Pero at the end of it all, or even at the middle of it, or at the, basta sooner or later, i-allow niya na mag-gets mo or maintindihan mo bakit niya inallow. Usually for your growth and endurance and all. Pero may times din na ina-allow niya for you to depend more to Him. And ayun nga, ang important din kasi is that we trust Him kahit hindi natin naiintindihan, kahit hindi natin nagigets yung mga nangyayari. Sana maalala mo na kahit gano'n, kahit di mo naiintindihan, kahit ano pa man yung nangyayari sa life mo, hindi ko man kasi ma-pinpoint kung ano, hindi naman, di ba, di ko naman nakikita or nalalaman. Pero what I know is that the Lord is with you and hindi na i-a-allow kung ano man inallow namin sa'yo nang wala lang, hindi ka na pinagtitripan. He allows it for His glory and He allows it for you to be more like Him. And He allows it kasi mahal ka niya. He wants to discipline you secret. Pero yun, like I mentioned kanina, I don't know the reason why He allowed it. Pero sana i-trust mo na wala siyang ina-allow na hindi makakabuti sa'yo. In a sense na hindi ka makapagbigay ng glory sa kanya. He really wants you to be holy. Diba? That's His ultimate goal for you to be holy. Ayun lang. Anyway, I know na siya yung mag-aalaw sa'yo na yun nga, because all your life is to him and I know that he will provide as well yung mga tao na ready makinig sa'yo. So, yeah. Pero, there will be times na kailangan mo ng mag-isa or what. Pero, okay lang yan, sis. Kung di ka pa ready i-share, okay lang yan. Naintindihan ka na. Hi. Anyways, on a brighter side, so yun nga, ako ay nagbabalik for good. So, this is actually my first upload, diba? Upload video, proper video, kasi I've been uploading reels before, pero not with a video talaga. But this 2026, I really want to be intentional in uploading and uploading only videos that will glorify the Lord, uploading videos that will show my vulnerability, will show my weakness, will show how God disciplines or how God encourages me or disciplines me or provides for me in all aspects. Ayun lang. So, I hope sa short video ko na to na less than 10 minutes na encourage ka. And I decided pala to have it black and white. Parang hindi ka ma-encourage to watch any other videos pa. Yun lang. I am rooting for you na yung brain mo kasi hindi masyadong mag-scroll, kumbaga hindi mas maging unhealthy yung brain mo. Ayun lang, sis. Take care. And God bless. This is your Ate V. You can comment down below whatever your questions or whatever your comment would be about this. Ayun lang, sis. Take care and again, God bless.